Here is the real truth nobody tells you about making progress in life. We are constantly flooded with motivational quotes and videos telling us to just follow our passion and wait for the perfect moment to start. In reality, relying on inspiration is a trap because your feelings are completely unreliable and will abandon you the second things get difficult. To break out of this cycle, you must implement the daily rule tip. True success is not a sudden lightning bolt of luck, nor is it a luxury meant only for a chosen few. It is a highly calculated, simple habit of showing up and doing the boring work even when you absolutely do not feel like it. Consider the case study of an independent creator named Jason. He spent years waiting for the right mood to work on his projects, which led to months of wasted time, zero growth, and massive frustration. He finally decided to try a simple fix. Instead of waiting to feel inspired, he set a strict, unbendable rule to write for exactly 20 minutes every morning at 7 o'clock, completely ignoring his mood. Within 90 days, Jason completed his entire product line. His audience numbers exploded, and he quit his corporate job to work for himself, full-time. You do not need more motivation to win. Shift your daily framework immediately to let your systems do the heavy lifting for you. Subscribe right now to join our inner circle and unlock the machine-like blueprint for an easy, high-leverage life.